Hi, and welcome to episode number 312 with whatsforchow.com. Today we're making a wonderful creamy chicken masala with crunchy vegetables. This meal is really quick and easy and super fragrant and tasty. You can go directly to the printable recipe by clicking the on-screen link at the end of this video. To start, cut the chicken breasts across the grain into thin strips. Add the masala spice mix, garlic, ginger and oil. Massage this into the meat thoroughly until everything is well coated and evenly colored. For the best result, put this aside for 30 minutes. While the chicken marinates, cut the baby corn into rounds, cut the patty pans into eighths, dice the red pepper and dice a large pickled gherkin. In addition, measure out 250 ml of plain yogurt. Heat your wok to smoking hot and pour in 15 ml of oil. Add the chicken to the wok and stir fry this for 4 to 6 minutes until it is cooked through and has taken some color. Add the vegetables and continue to stir fry for a further 2 minutes. Pour in the yogurt and stir this until everything has an even coating. Turn off the heat and stir in a large handful of fresh coriander leaves. Serve the curry to 4 serving bowls. Top the chicken with a little fruit chutney and garnish with more fresh coriander before serving immediately. Thanks for joining us today. Please subscribe to our channel and we'll see you again tomorrow.